But anyways, it's like you can't do barbecue like that.
Yeah.
And I was surprised how many people don't recognize. Like, I've been in Australia for a while too, and they think they know what barbecue is, but until you slather it with some good old barbecue sauce and have these like massive ribs on there, like they don't really know what barbecue means.
Yeah, in Texas they have barbecue competitions.
Yeah.
And they always have like their secret recipe is like a bottle of Lone Star beer and in the barbecue sauce.
Yeah. And even the chili cook-offs and stuff, I think come from down there. And I tried my best to follow one of the recipes of the winners of one of these chili cook-offs and throw some cocoa powder in there. Totally butchered. Like, it didn't taste good at all. I put way too much. But yeah, they're always trying to do the chili cook-offs too.
Yeah, there's a big thing in Texas about chili that if it has beans in it, that it's not chili.
Oh, for real?
Yeah,
I didn't
because
realize that.
people from the Northeast make chili with beans.
Oh, I didn't
And
realize
then people from Texas, they're kind of a joke where people will offer you chili. Like, hey, you want some chili? Does it have beans in it? Yeah. Well, it ain't chili then.
Oh, I didn't know that. So I wonder how you would even begin to make vegetarian chili in Texas then if you didn't have beans in there. This is a bunch of nothing.
You'd get kicked out if you asked for vegetarian chili in Texas. Like, get out!
Onions and peppers, that's it. So what found you out here?
My mom and dad actually met and got married here. My dad was stationed at Pearl Harbor for 3 years, and then they moved to California and to Texas, where he's from. And then I joined the military and was stationed here for 7 years. And when I retired from the military, I moved back to here.
I'm wondering how many times that might be the case, because I've got a lot of military friends who are out
In
now.
a quarter mile, make a right turn on H1 East using the upcoming right lane.
To the mainland, but I wonder if they might find them, because they say they miss a place, so I wonder if they might find themselves back out here.
Yeah, that's how a lot of people end up here.
You search for weird things, I guess, in life, and then realize, what's happiness? And I think this encompasses a lot of what is happiness.
Right as I was retiring, when I went to the Persian Gulf, right as I was leaving to go to the Persian Gulf, I think the second time.
What year was this?
I retired in 2006, so it would have been just a couple of years before that.
2002, I think.
Yeah, so 2004 maybe. But anyway, right as I was leaving to go to the Persian Gulf for the second time, 6 months at a time, my wife said that she wanted a divorce. So I did the whole 6-month deployment in the Persian Gulf, knowing that when I was going to get back, that I was going to be going through a divorce. And then, so now that, it's just going to be me, it's like, well, I can live anywhere in the world I want. It may as well be Hawaii.
Yeah. I actually just heard that on the radio today. And I know that there are radio, personalities, and they say what they need to, but they said, can you imagine a better state or a better place to live in the world? And they said, I'm saying, a better state and a better, of this country to live in this whole planet. And
using the right lane, make a right turn on H1 East.
I've traveled quite a bit, and I realized that yes, we are arrogant, but at the same time, I heard that, and I was like, I really don't know of any place that I find that there's other bits and pieces that are better, but altogether, we're really lucky to be here.
Yeah.
I don't want to say we're the best of the world, but we're really lucky to be here, and it's just, I don't know. It's hard to say that out loud, because you feel arrogant.
Yeah, we're always on the top 10 list of best places to live, based on health concerns or people, whether you're happy and stuff like that. Cost of living though is one of the worst.
Yeah, well, you can't have it all. I mean, if it was cheap to live here,